Hello and welcome everyone. Let's see here. Hello, hello, hello. I am Jason. This is Jason's Electronics Repair. How is everyone doing today? Let's see, we got Dream in chat. Andrew, Chris, hello. How's it going? Um, what is the title of this? Does this even have a title? Hold on. 1 second. Yeah, we're not fixing some electronics. It All right, let's try that. There we go. Update in the future. What's going on, everyone? All right, let me get this back. Okay, that's done. I don't need that. Is this still streaming and still streaming audio? Thanks, Chris. I appreciate it. So, I don't want to really dive into the details, but I currently my lab is unable to use the equipment in my lab. I'm working on coming up with some replacements of that equipment. Should have something in the new year, but in the meantime, I have moved the PC near my easy chair. This is my easy chair for relaxing. Keeps my arms propped up from, less pain and things like that. So what this does is allows me to make a different type of video. Well, that is like really loud in my ear. Okay, so this let me do a different type of video. And I'm going to be doing a series called The Armchair Technician. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a situation or a problem that a device would have that is repairable, or it could possibly not be repairable, and I'm going to educate the populace on that problem of that device being repaired. I'm going to show examples of it being repaired, the different techniques to repair it, and then what to look for in a repair shop to have that type of issue fixed. For example, like blue screen of death and things like that. So that is the gist of what's going. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate that. So that's the gist of what's going to go forward. So on this channel, there's going to be the Armchair Technician series. And then I stream on Twitch in the mornings because I don't have access to my bench. So I stream in the mornings on Twitch, Crazy Gamer 919. I stream a lot of Minecraft dungeons, a lot of Minecraft, and there's a new Minecraft update, 1.18, coming out on the 30th, which is my birthday. And I plan on streaming that and doing some cool stuff with that in the future. So I'm not going to do, other than today, there's not going to be gaming stuff on this channel. I wanted to do this stream today because I plan on doing a big stream on Twitch on Tuesday, and I just want to try to drum up people to watch it and join in with that, as I'm trying to get to my 50 followers and get my view time up and things like that. So if you guys have any questions about what's going on or things like that, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the keyboard up, and I'm going to switch some things around here. And I'm also using new streaming software, and I don't have the Stream Deck set up because of all the new stuff. So I'm going to turn that off. Oh, and guys, the lighting, I have lights right there, and they just went out. Like, immediately I went to adjust it, and they went out. So now I just have front lights. I don't have back lights illuminating. Instead of being illuminated, I'm going to put a little set dressing over here. This was illuminated. It had a switch on it and some controllers. and things like that. But yeah, that's not available anymore. So I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to put on this game capture of Minecraft. There's my cool little skin. Ed, thank you. Oh yeah, we had a good Thanksgiving. Another note. I have my 2-month-old grandson for for about 2 weeks, and he's been here for about a week, and I have gotten nothing done. I had planned on an episode of the Armchair Technician to release on December 1st, explaining the series going forward and all that stuff. So I have to. That may end up getting postponed, or that will actually be a different type. This will be the intro to explaining what's going on in the future. So, but as for Thanksgiving, we had turkey, broccoli casserole, mashed potatoes, sweet potato casserole, rolls. Yeah, that was about. Yeah, I think that was it. Cranberry sauce, or jellied cranberries, whatever it is. Yeah, so that's what we had. So thank you for asking. I hope everyone that does celebrate Thanksgiving had a good Thanksgiving. It's my one time a year I eat turkey. I'm not a huge fan of it normally. So if you guys have any questions, I can't talk about why my bench is not working. I have pending stuff on what's going on with that. I plan on making an update, of course. I plan on making an update video explaining that when the situation is resolved. And I have a thing moving forward. So we're just going to check out my realm. What I've been building in my spare time while I have no lab and nothing to do. Yeah, so. Hello, Gio. How's it going, guys? Wow, I can't see how many viewers I have. Wow, I don't know how fan of this. Okay, I just fell off of there. I don't know how much of a fan I am of. And it's raining. Why does it rain every time I want to do something? So, this is a mob farm with way too much storage. But it is automatically sorted stuff. Works. Ugh, that's already full. All this trash. Gotta make a trash can. So, I might do that in a minute. So if you could see here from this view here, I have, let's go up a little bit. And you can see it. I swear I played this before. So if we come up here, you guys are making too much noise. Okay, so as you can see, I got some different buildings here. I'm trying to do all copper roofs. So we're going to take a look at what I have built moving forward. But before I do that, I need some milk. Is it in here? Yeah, I need a bucket of milk. Alright. Let me put this away. So this is now officially modded Minecraft because they turned off my achievements. But like I said, this is a general purpose mob farm here. If we come down here.
After you guys are done, I'm gonna need him to put away those Mario Legos.
Okay.
I need to put the tree there.
Okay. So anyway, so this is my fishing area right here. If there's no roofs on these, It's because they're getting copper roofs, and I'm waiting for that. But little fishing dock, little fishing area over here. Um, the inside's not done. There's no doors, anything like that. I do love these floors. I use these floors a lot. So, okay, apparently you're all talking about George. So, this is a fishing dock. You can pop in. Donovan is going to join us, which is my son. He plays, he streams with us in the morning. Then that would be my wife. So this is our museum. For this is our museum for our mini blocks, and up on the top here is going to be mob heads. Really like the way that ceiling turned out. It was super expensive. So
Hello everyone, how did you do?
and a chewing 919 here. That's my son.
Yes.
Creeper hole that
I'm in the water.
looks like it was blown up twice now. So this is the living quarters for the museum staff. I'm a little upstairs. I did a stripped wall. I'm not really a builder. I just kind of do what I want there. This is going to be a gift shop for the museum.
Oh my foot.
A hole
There's
there too.
an emerald. See,
Right,
people, this is supposed to be an emerald, which it definitely looks like.
Looks like it a little bit.
Yeah.
So then we got our roads.
Here's the
We
emerald
have
thing, obviously.
some strip housing here. We have some farming area here.
Which he can put on his emerald suit coat, but he can't.
No, I like the skin better. So this is our farming area. I'm gonna put a moss farm here. Again, there was a moss farm. Farmhouse that was original.
Plants.
Wizard's Tower. There.
These are real.
What
These
is
people are
going on?
ow.
Let's see what's going on.
They're painful. They're earth painful.
So, we got a little sanctuary here, a bamboo sanctuary. We got the little brewery. This is a little brewery here.
Fun how weird the door looks.
Where Donovan makes his potions. So, little brewery in there.
It's sad.
We have a road that comes up to the welcome house up here. This
And
is
as you
where.
can see, we have friendly fire on.
Yeah, we're just walking through right now, buddy. So this is the welcome house. This is where you first spawn in when you join the realm.
The friendly fire. Hey.
Just don't ruin my thing. Okay. So anyways, this was bulk storage.
I'm just gonna punch you, okay?
No, don't punch me.
Eesh.
This was gonna be bulk storage, but now it's being reconverted to
I'm
an
taking
auto
the
sorted
floating
bulk
vine.
storage.
I'm gonna take the
I'm gonna
floating
mute
vine
you,
up
Donovan,
here.
if you keep going on, please. This is my living quarters. Here we have our fireplace. This is going to be a kitchen area. Then we have 2 rooms down here, the decorative stripped wall. Then we have the upstairs master bedroom with our ceiling fans and our lighting fixtures. Little walkway in there. Might take this down a little bit, surround it with wood. Not sure. That just bugged me just now. And then we have the castle staff quarters up here. I really like the way this building turned out. I really like this floor. It's like a terrazzo floor from like the 60s here in America. It was this concrete and stone texture that they sprayed down. And it
Honestly,
gave
they
you...
don't have any doors, so creepers could just wander in.
Yeah, it's fine. Doors are coming later. So this is kind of reminds me of that terrazzo floor with this jungle wood here. Over here we have the walls that are being constructed. We have quite a few mod packs on here at this point. My achievements got disabled, so I just added mod
As you can
packs at
see,
this
the
point.
grass and the dirt.
Yeah. So this is the corner of the wall. There'll be a entrance through the wall over there that's not built yet. And then this is the main entrance to the kingdom. That all this will be like town and like village area. They come through here. There's an inn. This will be the inn. This is a little gatekeeper where you get inspected. So I made this little. I'm gonna put some villagers in here as like guards.
Wow.
So, which I like about this is it opens this way, but you can also just jump over it. So that works out.
Villagers can't. Haha.
A lot of this stuff needs copper roofs, and in the update on Tuesday, I can start using copper again. They're changing it so you get more bang for your buck. So let us. Yeah. I'm just. When I first started, I was lost too, but this is pretty developed. We've been playing this since June. The last update. There's not much here. This is what basically what there is. Donovan has his own island. We have our little mushroom cows. We have our skeleton horses.
I have
Sheep.
a roller coaster, I think.
Yeah, if it's still there. And then we have one missing. That's okay though.
Moonshroom was provided.
I built this little picnic area for my wife because she likes like trees and lanterns. Get a little picnic area here. So we'll look at the castle last. I want to show off the village. That just goes to those two farms that are a mess at the moment. I was just working on them yesterday. And then we have a village here. And of course, one player sleep. So we have a little village. They populated themselves. I'm working on making this into a zombie curing area where I can zombify the villagers and get better trades. That is a tree farm I actually need to use. Alright, so despite that hole there, we're going to move on. So this is the castle. This was the first big thing I built. I did build that tower over there, but that's been completely redone after I built this. So this was one of my first building projects. But, so it has a throne room that has been destroyed by a glitch in the system. This had like a bunch of valuable stuff in this corners and things, but that's all gone now. So, and then underneath here, I have a massive storage area. So I built this. This was built after the castle underneath. And it still needs some work. I'm still renovating it. I got all my workstations here. I'm trying to build farms over here, but none of them seem to be. What has happened here? That's weird. I think my minecart's disappeared. I don't know. That farm's broken. That farm's broken. But yeah. So we have tons of storage. Then we can come down over here, and we can drop down into a mine that I did that we're not going to explore because it goes on forever in that direction, and then it does a lot more of going on forever in this direction. Like really, really far in that direction. Very far. Probably like 5 minutes to get to the end of it. having the sheep. Yeah, Danny said he was gonna watch it later. He wasn't home or something. So, oops, wrong way. So yeah, so this is the world that I've been working on. We will be upgrading this to 1.18, but we will also be starting a new world in 1.18. And my hopes is to build a lava cave base. Did you get kicked or did you leave? So we're going to come over here to one other area that we have done work into. Nice. Yeah, I'm still working on audio glitches. So, we dug this hole. Yeah. This is a hole we dug.
Is it working now? Okay.
Yeah, we can hear you. So yeah, we dug this hole out
Okay.
in preparation for the update.
We diggy hole.
Because they're going to add 64 layers below this block here, this deep slate. So we dug this whole thing out. Got a ton of good stuff.
The whole thing?
Destroyed a bunch of stuff like stone because we had too much of it. And then we're gonna dig it out again to the next 60 layers. So it's a bit to get out of here.
It never ends.
So, but
So we had the
but we have a huge sorry, sweetie. So yeah, we have a nice ice area over here. We're gonna reset a lot of these chunks. I'm not a fan. I was excited about a snowy area, and now I'm not so much. Here's our Nether hub. That takes us to the Nether.
And to my tower.
And this is
And my island.
this is where we started. This is a store I built to sell things. But why is there not a rocket on the rocket chest? Ooh,
I
there's
didn't
money.
take it. I did not take it.
There's money in here.
That might.
I assume
that
that's
might
from
come
you.
I would think so.
I'm not gonna check all that right now. But this is where we started, so we kept this as the town square. This is for people who joined to pick areas. That's all got to be revamped because they're changing everything. And this was my first house that I have pretty much gutted.
Flip.
Gutted that. Sugarcane.
I'll flip. I'll flip. I'll flip.
First enchanting
We're
setup.
getting an exterminator over here.
Where at?
At my end of the Nether. There's like
Well-
magma cubes.
Well, what do you want me to do?
And
Ow.
now.
You can't fight a
Let's
bunch
just
of
check
magma.
out my base.
You want me to head over there? Okay, we'll go over to Donovan's little mushroom island here.
Come at me, bruh. Eat my thorns.
Sure, I'm going the right way. I don't think I'm going the right way. I really gotta make better directions. So this is through the Nether. We have a little Nether hub tunnel here. Hello, Lee. How's it going? Goodbye. Hello. Hello and goodbye. All at the same time. That's very
I
interesting.
thought piglins were fireproof.
Piglins? No. Only the zombified piglins are. Regular piglins. That's why you build a gold farm with magma blocks on Java. So we're gonna shoot over here.
Oh, there you are. I'll open the gate for you.
Thank you. Really need to work on this. This is all still set up for when we brought villagers. I don't like the Nether much, so I don't like working in it. So I'm just gonna show this off, and then we're gonna move on here. So this is Donovan's. He's got his tower. That looks good with the black nether blocks. We changed the texture of these nether bricks to black, and I think they look so much better. And they're varied too, so this is his little mushroom island. He's got some villagers. We normally do all our raids here. Where's this roller coaster at? Let's see if we can find it. Okay. Can I ride the roller coaster? Okay, we're gonna work through these audio issues.
I punched a villager and somehow he knows.
Yeah, I realized that. I took care of it.
So, shut it.
I took care of it. Don't worry about it. You got a minecart for me to test this?
I'm trying.
So, we're gonna...
There are minecarts in the nether. Hold on 1 second.
I could just off a few more iron golems and get the iron. Oh, actually, do you have a crafting table?
I already got one. Thank you. Don't kill my beautiful golems.
Hey, that one I killed gave me 5 iron.
That was not beautiful. That was not beautiful.
I think it gave me 5 iron.
Good for you. I was dead.
You being chased again?
I just came out of the portal.
Should I kill it?
Yes. Double team.
Alright.
Okay, here's your cart. I'm going to sleep.
Did you give me the cart? No, you didn't give me the cart.
Cart.
I don't know where to
Cart.
start
It's
at.
behind you.
Where do you start at?
I'll show you. Well, actually, the Mushroom Island. Wait.
Yeah, I want to run it at night.
Yeah.
With the little redstone torches. Alright, where's the start at?
Start is by these off ones.
Okay, so right here?
Then you go
Forward?
that.
Forward?
Yeah, you go towards the dirt.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to ride this.
A beautiful work of Minecraft bedrock physics.
Oh, jump. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a little floating down the river here. Oh, see, you got mob heads here. You know, it must have been when it was turned off that they didn't load. So I bet you your chest still has all the mob heads.
I don't know. See, that's the horror bit.
What is this right here?
You're supposed to fall down in the hole.
Okay, you might want to put a powered rail right there.
It is powered.
That's weird then. More velocity going to it then. So,
And then it comes to a stop.
wow, that's pretty neat. Good job.
Yeah.
First time I rode that. Alright, so one good thing about the Mushroom Island is no mobs will spawn here.
Also, anyone like the well? Is the entrance
Oh, yeah.
mine?
He made a well here. He's actually got a rope. I know it's hard to see. Actually, the stream looks better than what I see on my 4K TV. That's weird.
Yeah. See, down here is the entrance to the mine.
Alright. Those golems still look mad, so I wouldn't go over there.
They always look mad. They're golems.
Yeah. If you could sleep, that would be nice. So we're gonna head back over.
It's just dark.
Yeah, but I gotta go through that snowy biome.
Good point. Coming. Down.
Eventually, I want to redo this to make it more seamless. So we can fly down the tunnels.
Right now.
You know, make them like 5 wide. and then
You know, it was just so
5
with the
tall.
interior.
Interior of what?
My tower.
I'm already halfway away from it. So if we keep going this other way, we'll find another fortress, but we don't need to
So
see
you
all
only care
that.
about the coaster then?
So anybody have any questions about the armchair technician series that I spoke about in the beginning? That's mainly what this is for. I needed something to do to answer questions about what's going on in the future of the channel. So this is something I can do instead of just staring, waiting for people to ask questions. I also need to test out the setup here. So we are actually,
I have a lot more than just a roller coaster. I have a beacon.
yeah, there's beacons
I have
everywhere.
I have an adopt-a-lotl. I have mushrooms.
Well, we'll save stuff for the next time. So I am going to come back up here to my mob farm. Or not.
Speaking of adopt-a-lotl, I need to breed some lotls.
Well, I haven't seen a wandering trader since the bug, since the glitch that happened. So I don't even know if they're selling mini blocks anymore. So, come back up here and stand there. And then we are going to try to seamlessly switch over to a different setup. So I'm going to save and quit this.
Okay, goodbye.
Alright. And
Oh, and
now
he'll be back.
I'm not logging off. I'm going to try to seamlessly switch this over. So if I put this back on and I do that, so this is our intermission. So that's going to be our intermission screen. And I close.
And it's kind of freaking me out because he's staring at me like all the time. Like, I punched him. So what? He was in the way.
Yeah.
Stop staring at me,
Good. Alright, let's see if this works.
Oh, apparently you're online.
Yeah, I'm trying to switch seamlessly to the Xbox and not lose the audio. This is whole part of this to see if it works. So let's connect that. Let's stream that.
I thought the Iron Golem always knows where you are.
So, is it this one? Whoa, that worked. And you can still hear me, Donovan?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm playing
You still
dungeons
hear
now.
me?
So we're gonna do some dungeons here to make sure the audio's good. And I lost my chat. Fantastic. Fantastic. I don't know why the chat. Oh, I gotta figure so much stuff out. No, I can't put it over there. Okay. So, unable to connect. Fantastic. So, we're going to do this. We need to run a few levels on this. So, this is basically what I stream on Twitch. Crazy Gamer 919 on Twitch. I stream in the mornings between 6 a.m. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sometimes people join the games, depending on what's going on. So,
What level they are?
So this should be working. So I am officially streaming everything from the computer, and I do have party chat. Are you gonna join in, Donovan, in Dungeons?
Kind of busy right now.
Okay.
The Iron Golems are fighting back.
Yeah, good luck with that.
So I accidentally threw in the other guy. What does that mean for you, huh?
Okay. So I'm just gonna test this out. How's the audio? Is the audio too loud?
audio is audio.
What about background noise? So, like, are you hearing like a TV or a baby or anything other than Donovan and me? I kind of had to mess with the audio filters. So the game audio seems a little loud.
Battle to the death. Ew, a poppy.
Yeah, I just found out this build. I discovered this build yesterday, and I can pretty much just wipe stuff out. I was running a different build before, and this seems to be working out the best. So if you guys want to see me do this in other games, then I'll be on Twitch doing this. But the Armchair Technician series is going to be on. I'm aiming for Fridays to have a video out on Fridays. And then I have it still set up to where I can record videos on my bench for like disassemblies and examples and things like that on SD cards. So that will, so I can still make those type of videos. Still make those type of videos too, so. So it would be interesting. I was put a little bit behind. 2-month-olds are no joke. That is, they are no joke to take care of. Oh, this seems so much easier solo. This is way easier solo. I don't know why that is. Yeah, I figured this would be harder. I'm just like melting them. It's like.
What if you go down in 3, 2, 1?
What do you mean if I go down? Why would I go down? I don't know. I don't think I would go down. And I lost my chat yet again. Okay, that's going to be... Okay, that's on the... That's on the thing to fix, is the chat. I need to figure out... See, I'm using the OBS Streamlabs, and it is easier to stream, and it gives you benefits to do. You got different benefits. You can, like, points and polls and things that OBS or Stream Elements doesn't do well, and it seamlessly transitions pretty well. So I just need to figure out how to get, when I do the Twitch streams, I get the chat. So I'm gonna have to play with that. I thought it was just gonna be, I think they make it so you have to buy their Prime software in order to get some of that stuff. So I have to look into that. But this is basically just an update and a testing of the new setup. I still have, like, I'm 2 weeks behind, and I still have to do the, I still have to set up my Stream Deck and other things like that. I wonder, see, that's the thing. Streamlabs doesn't give me any of that data I'm using 2% of my CPU. Wow, 1,767 drop frames. What? Why do I have so many drop frames? Huh. That's weird. That was like a ton of drop frames. But it's only using like 3% of the CPU. So I have to do this level one more time. I got something cooking at the blacksmith. The sound some of these weapons make when they drop is crazy. So, and I lost chat again. So, I don't think there's much. I mean, they're both OBS kind of systems, but the Streamlabs has more intuitive for setting up a stream for doing streaming. I still have OBS. I will use OBS to do the videos, but it was easier to. It was easier to set up the Streamlabs for the Twitch streams instead of having to go into the OBS settings all the time to. I think I need that Tempest knife or something else. So, one more time. So it's easier to just pop into Streamlabs and then Twitch stream and then use OBS for YouTube. I should have ran this through OBS instead of doing it on Streamlabs, but I wanted to test the seamless transition because when I was doing the Minecraft, I was on the computer, using the computer for that. Now I have seamlessly switched over to the Xbox One X. I wonder if I'm still getting drop frames. Yes, still getting drop frames like crazy. That is weird. Does it seem laggy on your end, guys? Because I am definitely getting drop frames. Right. The end of the mushroom. Yeah, our original goal was to get to max level with this by Tuesday, but again, the baby said something else, so.
And I can't even talk yet.
Yeah, I know. But he has the needs. It's gonna hurt. Yeah, I died. That was too much burning, too much slimes, too many witches enchanted. That was, wow. Miss having my lightning rod. Oh, it was a death. Alright, wasn't too bad. Did die that one time. That wasn't cool. I need to make sure the stream is still working. Look at those double damage guys. Oh, another cursed axe, seriously. So, is it still dropping frames? Yep, 23,000 frames now. I wonder what is causing that issue. I'm curious. I'm gonna have to watch this back and see what's causing the issue and double checking the audio. That it? That was it? Well, that worked out. What? Why did that not work? That was weird. Normally the code works. I had hoped to stream for a solid period of time, fielding questions, but I don't even know if this is working properly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna garbage again. I'm gonna cruise back to camp and then check some stuff. So like I said, I'm not getting any viewer count or anything on this YouTube. So I got 4 viewers, 5 concurrent, peaked at 8. So it appears to be working. It says excellent connection. I'm not understanding why there are so many drop frames. It's running at 60 frames per second. Not sure. It's weird. Alright, so we get out these. I have enough. Oh, I don't have enough enchantment points for that. I gotta keep those. I didn't have enough money for that. Let me just filter through some of this stuff here. I gotta find where all my points are. Let's enchant this now. So, enchant Void Strike. Radiance. Gravity. That sounds interesting. Let's do that. Let's try these out. One. In the chat. Hello, Jaden. How's it going? So, if you're just joining, I'm just doing this to answer questions about the workshop being unusable at the moment, and are for the time being. Not sure when that's gonna. Not sure if I'm ever gonna have a workbench back, but maybe there's possibilities. And then I'm starting a new series, the Armchair Technician, where I'm gonna take. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Where I'm gonna take topics like items that can be fixed, properties like blue screen of death on a Nintendo Switch. You know, that's fixable. Here's how it's fixable. Here's what to look for in a repair shop. That kind of stuff. That's putting up some nasty damage. Oh, protection slime. Not a fan of the protection slime. Not a fan of those guys. Oh, that just shows everybody on. That's gonna hurt.
Today.
Yeah, what's up?
You know how this is ground, right?
Yeah.
And here's the price.
Hold on, buddy. What was that?
How does it make you feel when the ground has a price?
I don't know.
What does it make you feel when it also has a number?
Yeah, I see that quite common. It's when you strike him down with a looting sword.
Yeah, what else do you feel when you get both the sides with the durability bar at green, and you also get the nutless shell?
That's pretty good. Yeah, I've gotten the Trident Nautilus shell once from them holding both.
I just got it.
From what I understand, you're guaranteed one of them with looting. I'm not sure if that's true or not.
I have 3, so that's why I got the rock flush done.
They definitely use the Nautilus shells.
I got looting 3, so I guess that's how I got the copper.
Hey, you know, I got those maulers that got the Void Strike and the Radiance and the it's got gravity on it. It's pretty nasty. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. You know, I'm still streaming, right?
Yeah.
Hey, just in the future, you want to make sure the camera's off before you sit down. You're good. You're
See
good.
me?
No, you're good this
Was
time.
I on there at all?
No, you weren't on there at all. But just future, you might want to.
Oh, because you said it aims at this table.
Yeah, it catches the where you're sitting a little bit. I'm working on that.
Okay.
I'm working on that.
Thank you for telling me.
Yeah.
I don't want to be seen on there.
I know. Well, I told you. So, well, this was supposed to be worked out, but again, I'm getting all those drop frames. This is very going to be interesting watching this back. To see if it's laggy or not. I think this is that skippable one that he always skips. I tell you, these maulers are fighters bindings, and you can do a whole lot more than you can with the soul build I was running before. Soul build's more like a support thing. This is more like heavy DPS. And that deflect is nice for the wither armor. It's actually does pretty good. So nobody has any questions. That's interesting. Definitely thought there'd be questions. I traded in moving the computer. I lost my statistics monitor that I keep all the stream statistics on. It's not very big, but I can't see. Anyways, ooh, new frostbite armor. That's exciting. That is very exciting. I'm looking forward to seeing what's on that. So that's quite interesting. Is the baby sleeping?
Yeah.
That's cool. We got 10 minutes.
Huh?
We got 10 whole minutes.
10 minutes left?
No, the baby sleeps for 10 minutes and then we have to get him again. Taking care of a 2-month-old, man, that's...
I tell you
We're
what,
too old.
I don't know why they say sleeping like a baby. Like what, not getting sleep?
Yeah, I don't know.
I guess it means just no cares and no worries.
I know he sleeps on me just fine.
But you know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's what I think it is.
could be. Let's see what this armor has on it. What is that? Cooldown, that's nice. Rush. Lightning focus. Soul focus, don't use any of that. Gravity pulse. And deflect, that is garbage. That's worse. Don't do that on the right level. Ugh. Alright, let's check the drop frames again and see what... okay, the drop frames seem to have started to die. Like they stopped being dropped. Because last time I checked it was like 29,000. And it's still at 29,000. So... let's... What was that? Let's get chat back. Alright. Let's check the traders here. Doom crossbow.
What was that thing?
This?
That thing on the left.
This?
Village merchant.
Oh, that's one of the villagers.
It looks like a duck.
That's just what the villagers look like, sweetie. Ooh, a frost sickle. That seems interesting. Slows mobs. No, no, I don't want to do that. Stop doing things. Don't believe that that's anything good on the weapon. On the enchantments. Alright. Well, that's gonna about cover it. If you guys want to see me stream on Twitch, it's crazy at Crazy Gamer 919. One solid word there. I stream 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Most days. So.
How do you pronounce the moon?
Yeah, I know. So, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Keep an eye out for the Armchair Technician series, and I hope everyone has